With this video, I want to introduce the coming section of the course, which is going to cover the business model canvas, which you see in front of you. This is an innovation not by me. This is by Alex Ostenwalder. I'm sorry if I butchered his name. This is a visual way to plan a business. As you can see, you can literally print this out and you can start scribbling things in here, and you'll see that, for example, customer relationships will be close to customer channels. You can kind of even point some arrows and things like that. Especially if you're a visual person, this is great. And so what I've done is I actually have a separate business model canvas course. I actually, for your convenience, put the content of this course into this section, so you don't have to buy two courses at once. If you have this course, don't worry, you have all the content of the other course already, you're good to go. So what's going to happen is I'm going to walk you through how to use the business model canvas, and you should use it in conjunction together with my 3-sentence business plan, and using that business plan to create a one-page plan, and so on and so on. So this will just give you a whole other perspective on business modeling and business planning. So without further ado, let's get into how to structure each part of this business model canvas.